What's up, Ost fans? Ost here, back with another video. Today we have an unpackaging to do. So, let's get into it, shall we? Before we do, I had a fun time talking to Relaxing Ghost himself. He's a pretty cool guy, and I really like his videos, especially the Attitude Era review series. And a shout out to him. How you doing, bro? Anyway, so had a talk with him last night, and he said that he wants me to upload more videos. I'm like, sure, I can do that. So that's what I'm doing. Anyway, so here's the unpackaging. And I swear if this is not what the fucking is. And it is the birds. This is brand new. Awesome. The original indeed. So, yep, the birds. Finally, I got it on DVD. Should be very good. And again, here it is. It's front. Back. Spine. That's it, guys. Until next time, I'm Ost.